Welcome to Encourage Your Software's Product Scope program. We have three basic browse product sizes. This is our mid-size browse. We also have clipboard size windows, and you can reposition a clipboard browse and also resize the frame to create a much smaller footprint on your computer screen. It's available in clipboard memo, clipboard images, and also a browse vendor's clipboard. In addition, we have a much larger size that you can easily access with the function key F9. So after resizing the frame of the program, you can press F9 or click on that icon, reposition the window, resize the frame from the size, close the window, reopen it to display. Function key F9 to easily access it. If you use multiple user accounts in Windows, please read the help topic, User Accounts. Very important, during the initial install, important data files are installed for the user account and used during the install. Before using Product Scope for the first time for additional user accounts, you must run this program. Install Product Scope 8 User Data. We'll create a user account documents folder menu selection. In PS File Tools, we'll create a user account downloads entry. We'll install Custom PC Builds Profile Exchange data. We'll make an entry in Product Scope menu for Custom PC Builds Profile Exchange. And we'll copy Custom PC Builds Profile Exchange example files to a new folder. Now we'll begin by making a user account documents folder menu selection. First in Windows 7, and then we'll make an example in Windows 8.8.1. Windows 7, click on Start button, click on User Account Name, click on Documents, and copy the address. In Windows 8.8.1, click on File Explorer, click on the user account name, click on Documents, copy the address. Now we'll make an entry in Product Scope. Click on Example Data, click on Select Data Folder, click on the Exit button, click on the Yes button. Click on the Add Edit, paste. Now we'll type in a folder description. We use the number 1 so that it'll appear at the top of the list. Select Data Folder, click on PS File Tools, click on this button, click on the user account name, click on Downloads, copy the downloads address, and make an entry in PS File Tools. Click on the Add button, click on Paste for location and copy move to. Now we'll type in a description, simply Downloads. Click on Date, Descending, OK, select, click on the Go button. Click on this button. Now we need to close Product Scope. Double click on the Custom PC Builds Profile Exchange install, and we're going to install some data. We do recommend that you click on the print button for the reading dock and click on the next, take the defaults. The program data is installed under Windows 7. We'll do the same thing for Windows 8.8.1. Click on PS File Tools. Click on this button. Click on the user account name. Click on Downloads. Copy the downloads location. Now we'll install PS File Tools record. Click on Add, paste in the location and copy Move to. Type a description, Downloads. Click on Date, Descending. OK, select. Click on the Go button. Click on this button. Now we need to close Product Scope. Double click on Custom PC Builds Profile Exchange Install. We do recommend that you click on the print button for the reading dock. And click on the next, accept the defaults. Now the program data is installed under Windows 8.8.1. Windows 7 Start menu. There is a Search Program and Files area. We're going to type in Custom PC Builds. And this will locate the folder for us. And just click on Custom PC Builds. Copy the address of that folder location. As an alternative in Windows 7, at the Start menu, select Profile Exchanges. Then, select Open Custom PC Builds. Highlight the address and copy. In Windows 8.8.1, it's simply at the Start window, type in Open. Select the Open Custom PC Build selection, and again, copy the address location, the folder location for Custom PC Builds. Now we're going to make an entry. Select Example Data. Click on the Exit button. Click on Yes. Add Edit. Now we're going to paste that location in there. We're going to highlight the name. Control+C to copy it. Paste it in. Okay. We're going to create a new folder. And we will do it by copying the User Accounts document area. And we just simply type in PC Builds. And since this is a new folder, we're going to get a prompt here. Path not found. Click on Yes. We want to create that folder. Simply type in a description. The next step we're going to copy. So we highlight Custom PC Builds. We copy to the clipboard. Select PC Builds 2. Now we want to paste that into the search location. Secondary mouse click Mark All. Secondary mouse click Copy Mark Files. And now for this new folder, we have copied the Custom PC Builds example files.